Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a wheel clamp tire changer. First step, removing the valve core. Before breaking the bead, make sure you remove the valve core to completely deflate the tire. For this, you will need a valve core remover. So now it's removed, and let's go to number 2, breaking down the bead. Bead breaking blade. It is built like a shovel, places a blade between the lip of the rim and the tire. Make sure the bead breaker is not contacting the rim. Depress the bead brake pedal. Repeat process to break the bead on the back side of the tire too. There you can see. Now the one side is removed or breaking down a little bit, and then it is time for the other side. Nice and easy, as you can see, but take care if you have a valve detection system, tire pressure processing thing inside your rim. You have to go a little bit upper at the valve area. This is important, so you do not have to damage these sensor parts. Next step is demounting the tire. Clamp the tire to the table. The 3 T's, or the 4 T's, of course. No, the 5 T's. The tire to the table. Oh yeah, there it is. Jaws in outer clamping position for more holding system, as you can see, and to do not damage it. Jaws now are going out or in. You can use it twice to support the tire. Now you have to mind or demounting the head, and for this the other demounting head is for this step. Carefully position the demount head against the rim and then lock it into position and rotate the rim fully. Now it's time to pulling the top bead over the demounting head. Place the demounting head against the rim and use a plastic inserts under metal head that prevents for wheel damage. You can have a look first and some rotation that the demounting head is not damage your rim. Place the tire tool between the tire and demounting head, and do not put the tire tool on the rim. Exert pressure to the top of the tire tool to pull the head over the demounting head, and then depress the table rotation foot pedal, rotating the turntable clockwise. The tire tool does not touch the rim. It rests on the demounting head, as you can see. So now pulling the bottom bead over the demount head. Once the tire is lifted position, place the tire tool in between the demount head and tire bead. The tire tool does not touch the rim. It rests on the demount head. Once the tire tool is in the position, depress the table rotation foot pedal, turning the table clockwise to demount the tire. The tire tool does not touch the rim. It rests on the demount head. And then job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Good job. Soon.